I wore this watch on the first day of 5th grade back in 1993. Back then, most kids my age would prefer those colorful digital plastic watches that were the trend back then. I, however, was wearing this, my father's Citizen Automatic. Fast forward 26 years, this watch is still here. It's still working, and it still keeps good time. I've had this watch since that day in 1993, long after those digital, colorful watches have long since perished. This one still keeps time for me. It's a bit of an odd thing, this watch. At 35 millimeters, it's considered quite small for the typical watches of this day and age. However, what it lacks in diameter, it makes up for in thickness. With a thickness of about 13 millimeters, it's about as thick as your modern day diver's watch. Thanks to this odd crystal, which is faceted like a jewel and adds to the thickness of the watch. This style was typical of the 1970s, and my online research has led me to the conclusion that this was made sometime in the 1970s. It is only recently that I have firmly established that this watch was indeed made sometime in October of 1974. This watch has no model name to speak of. It is quite common for watchmakers back then to not give model names to their watch. The lug tip to lug tip is 40 millimeters. The lug width is 18 millimeters. The bracelet, although it's an original Citizen bracelet, came from another watch, the Citizen Cosmotron. The Cosmotron is an electromechanical watch that was made sometime during the late 70s. My guess is the original bracelet of this watch either got destroyed or got lost, and it was since replaced with this industrial looking Cosmotron bracelet. Powered by the Citizen Caliber 6501, I just call this watch the Citizen 6501. The dial has faded over the years. It's somewhat of a tangerine brown color. It has applied indices, an applied logo. It has looms on the hands and on the hour markers. However, the loom has since expired. It has a day and date complication, nicely framed in silver. Underneath the name brand, it says automatic. Above the 6 o'clock marker, it says 21 jewels. And somewhere below the 6 o'clock marker, it says Japan. This watch has a signed crown. It says CTZ. It has a solid case back. It's all stainless steel construction. All the surfaces are polished. No brushed finish. It has a quick set date, but the day does not. You need to scroll through 24-hour cycles in order to get the day right. What I like about this watch is that its design is very unique. I haven't seen anything quite like it. In its 26 years of service, it stands as a testament as to how durable and reliable automatic watches really are. Though this watch is long overdue for a service, it still runs quite well. And yes, I will schedule a service for this watch very soon. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.